ANN, the Avatar News Network. Good evening. This is Judy Baker with the Avatar News Network for Wednesday, November 4th, 2015. Many of us do not know the gender of our cat or even as babies when they were kittens. This is not at all uncommon, and Cindy Crawford was no exception to this. The cat was given to her by her brother John. He thought it was male and was told that. However, there was many speculations and debates about whether or not the cat was a boy or a girl. So in the beginning, his name was Travis John. Cindy learned that her cat is female, and therefore, Travis John will now be Sarah Jane. This is a joyful day for Cindy, as she wanted to know the correct gender of her cat so that life could continue and Sarah could live normally without having any kind of inferiority complex. That was such a heartwarming story. For now, this is Judy Baker with ANN, the Avatar News Network. Thank you and good evening. ANN, the Avatar News Network.